66 million years ago, the Earth was alive, loud, and completely unaware that in just a few hours, everything would end. A rock from space, 12 kilometers wide, was already on its way. No warning, no escape. Only time, 1 hour before impact. In what is now Mexico, the ocean is calm. A herd of hadrosaurs grazes near the shoreline. Pterosaurs glide overhead, deep underground. Small mammals hide in burrows, unaware. They are about to become the future in the sky. A faint light appears. Not a star, not a comet. Something faster. 10 minutes before impact, the object grows, brighter than the sun. Animals begin to react. Birds scatter. Predators pause. Tyrannosaurus lifts its head, sensing something is wrong. The sky begins to burn. Tense. Heartbeat pacing. 1 minute. The asteroid is now visible, a fireball tearing through the atmosphere. The air heats instantly. Winds begin to rise. Everything is about to change. The asteroid strikes with the force of billions of nuclear bombs. The ground vaporizes. A crater over 150 kilometers wide forms in seconds. Anything within hundreds of kilometers is instantly erased. No sound, because no one is left to hear it. 5 minutes after impact, a shock wave races across the planet, faster than sound. Forests flatten, mountains tremble, tsunamis rise. Hundreds of meters high, the sky begins to darken. Molten rock ejected into space falls back to Earth like rain, but burning. Forests ignite across continents. The world is on fire. Hours later, darkness covers the sky. Dust and ash block the sun. Temperatures begin to fall. Plants die. Food disappears. The extinction has begun, but not everything died. Small creatures, hidden underground, survived, and over millions of years, they evolved into something new, into us. The dinosaurs ruled Earth. For 160 million years, all it took was one day to end it.